Hi everyone, this is Rob. I'm here with a wonderful, friendly bunch in Jakarta doing a workshop. We just finished Think on Your Feet. What was it like, guys?
Great!
Okay, what would you like to say about the workshop? Would you recommend it?
Sure.
Yes. Why?
Especially the facilitator.
Well, it has a really good quality in terms of the curriculum.
Okay.
And then in terms of the interactivity, it's really interactive and will not make you bored. The third one, the trainer's really great with a real life experience.
I'll pay you. Okay, thank you. Anyone else would like to say a few words about the Think on Your Feet workshop?
We learned about the 6 plans, bridging, and also how to deal with difficult questions.
Wonderful.
Sub-plans, don't forget about sub-plans.
Oh yeah, the sub-plans, very important as well. Because sometimes you need to think on your seat. Yeah. Okay, anyone else? What happened?
Okay, Pack is very mixed structure. Our answer in impromptu question. Good.
Wonderful. Thank you guys. I really enjoyed being here in Jakarta. I always say good skills. I don't say good luck because actually what is luck? Luck is when opportunity meets preparation. So I wish you good skills on your learning and your learning journey. Okay?
Good luck and success, all.